Hey peeps, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty by Deanna. Today we're going to be doing a summer look, but with the summer look we're going to be using the BH Cosmetics. This is the Jackie palette, you guys, and this palette is so gorgeous. I highly recommend this palette. I recommend it so much because it is very, very women color friendly, but it shows up on all skin tones really, really well. I'm going to be using some new brushes too. I'm going to have each product linked below or listed below. I'm going to be taking Big Wig. Big Wig is the nicest purple ever that I just enjoy applying to the crease from this palette, you guys. Big Wig is definitely that purple that, you know, that's not going to overpower a look, but especially on my skin tone, it looks so well. So I'm just going to, you know, apply it to the outer V. And not only apply it to the outer V, I'm going to kind of like make a V but soften up towards the middle of the crease, and I'm going to also do it in my inner corner and bring it halfway up, because with a halo you want to leave as much space as possible to add to the eyes. If you pay attention closely, I try to apply while I am applying it to the outer V on the upper lash line as well, because mainly you want the color to be on your upper lash line. If you're going to be applying graphic eyeliners, like bold eyeliners doing a graphic look, you don't have to, but it is very, very important if you do so that the look itself shows the color on the upper lash line, the lid, and also up in the crease. And then you want to leave as much space as possible. And I'm gonna see how I can explain this. Okay, what I mean by leave as much space possible, so windshield wiper motions, you're blending, correct? So when you're blending and using windshield wiper motions, you're lifting up the brush. And while you're lifting up the brush, the eyeshadow is still applying towards the crease. But you want to leave as much crease color as possible, so that when you're applying the shade that you want to apply into the center, or the concealer that you want to apply to center, you have enough product. You have enough area to apply your product. So, like, I'm applying the shade Sponsored by the ABH palette from Jackie Aina. And Sponsored is going right down in the center. You can go above and beyond with this eyeshadow choice, because one, it has a hint of gold, it has a hint of greens, and all the above. It's very nice and chrome. So next I went back in, because the center color that you're going to apply, it will overlap the outer V and then also the inner corner shade and up in the crease. So you kind of want to like go windshield wiper motion style, like I'm doing now in the crease, and apply a neutral. When I say neutral, so close to your skin tone when you apply this color. You don't want to apply another color, because it's going to make it look muddier. And then I applied a lighter color, which is from my palette, YK Cosmetics, and I'm applying the blue from the La Bright palette, and I'm going to be taking the blue from the La Brights, and I'm going to be applying it around the base of the outer V. Then I'm going to be taking my favorite lashes, you guys. My favorite lashes is definitely Shay Shay from my brand. I love these lashes. These lashes are the #1 most complimented broad lashes that I own for my line. So you guys want some? Make sure you hit the comment section below, because I may not have my website up right now, but for, you know, other choices of getting these products to you guys, I have other sources too. So yes, and play with your lashes. Make sure that you secure them very, very tightly, because lashes are not the best thing to apply when it comes to makeup, unless you're a pro at it. Then I went in with the same exact look, and then I applied the same exact eyeshadow to the inner corner to allow the look to pop. place to look, you guys. I hope you like this video. Let me know what you guys think about the audio in the comment section below. I'm trying something new here. And I gotta go, and happy summer, you guys. I have another couple more looks to bring for you guys, and I gotta go. See you soon. Bye.